Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Photoshop tutorials how to reduce noise. For example, I will open this photo and if you zoom in, it will be see for the noise in this photo. So if you want to reduce this noise, you can use blur tools, can go to filter menu, click on blur and then click blur. So it will be reduce noise. After it, we can resize the image, you can click image size, like I will set into 600, click OK, and then we can blur again this photo. You can go to filter, click blur, and then blur more. So that's it for a basic Photoshop tutorials how to reduce noise with blur tools. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.